Most of us don't have the cash lying around to buy a massive RV, and even fewer people want to drop serious money on a brand new tow vehicle just to go camping. That's why this camper really caught my attention. Because all you need is a truck, or honestly anything with a usable rear bed, and you're good to go. Truck campers aren't exactly new, but the one I want to talk about today definitely feels fresh. This is the Mesa, a truck camper designed and built by Topo Toppers. Like a lot of great small companies, Topo started out by building a camper for themselves, and that hands-on, practical mindset still shows. They're now in their third year of production and already offer 3 different models, all designed specifically around truck-based adventures. The Mesa is considered their baseline model, and it's also the most affordable option they offer. Prices start at $7,450 for mid-size trucks, and if you're running a full-size truck, you're looking at $7,950 to get started. That makes it a pretty approachable entry point if you've been curious about truck campers but didn't want to go all in financially. The Mesa mounts directly into your truck bed, with part of the structure extending over the bed to create a fully enclosed storage area. On top of that sits a rooftop tent, and a portion of it even extends over the cab, giving you more sleeping space without eating into your storage below. It's a smart, efficient layout that makes really good use of the truck's footprint. Topo builds the Mesa using aluminum sheets and tubing, and every piece is laser cut and CNC pressed before being TIG welded together. The panels look super clean, and everything gets coated in Tiger Drylac powder coating for extra durability against the elements. They also use multiple sealants throughout the build to make sure water stays where it belongs, outside. The rooftop tent is built in-house as well. The top and base are aluminum, just like the rest of the camper, but the fabric sides are made from WeatherMax 80, which is a marine-grade polyester fabric. If it's good enough for boats, it's definitely tough enough for rain, wind, and whatever else you run into on the trail. One of the biggest perks here is storage. With that large bed compartment, you can load up pretty much everything you need for a trip. Clothes, camp chairs, sleeping bags, fishing gear, a cooler or fridge, it all fits. There's even a mullo rack behind the cab for extra organization. Loading and unloading is easy too, thanks to a rear hatch that lifts up on air springs, plus a side access hatch on the driver's side. Once you get to camp, setting up is simple. Drop the tailgate, lift the rear hatch, and unload. To pop the top, you just give it a push and the air springs take over from there. One feature I really like is the adjustable sleeping platform. You can slide the panels around to dial in the bed size that works best for your body, whether you're tall, short, or somewhere in between. You can also add lighting, solar panels, and wiring to charge portable battery banks, which really helps turn this into a comfortable off-grid setup. One thing that did bug me a little, though, was finding the weight. The main product page doesn't list it, but digging into Topo's FAQ reveals that the base Mesa shell weighs no more than 250 pounds, which is actually very impressive. Just keep in mind that a lot of the features you see in photos, like the side hatch, electrical system, solar panels, and MOLLE panels, are optional add-ons. Using Topo's configurator, I added about half of the available options and ended up around $3,000 above the base price. So is it worth it? That really depends on what you're looking for and how you plan to use it. If you want to see one in person, Topo is based in Ventura, California, and that's where you'll need to go to check out the Mesa firsthand. Either way, it's a really compelling option for anyone who wants a capable, lightweight truck camper without diving into full RV territory.